Hey everyone, this video I'm going to show you how to put string on an Ego Power Plus mower, and I'm going to show you the PowerLoad function that loads the string automatically for you. So first thing, I got my weed eater string. Then you take your string, take one end of it and you feed it in. Whoops. And you feed it in, push it through, comes out on the other side, and you pull it. So you got half and half on both sides. And try not to get tangled. Don't tangle it like I did. And that right there is the most difficult part. Make sure you got your battery in it. Now this is the easiest part. Hold down the button. Whoop. Just hold that down. Then you are ready to go. All right, thanks for watching.